Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then tap on Backup and Reset, and here we've got the option Reset Phone, so let's tap. Here let's tap on Reset All Settings and draw the lock screen pattern to confirm. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, so just tap on Reset, and be aware because this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset. And now we are simply waiting until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.